Hi guys, and welcome back to my second quick and dirty inspo video. In this series on my channel, it's getting about time because I like to show you within 2 minutes a cool picture idea. So let's start and don't waste time. And in my second episode, I like to send you in the nature because you need this special leaves with a skeleton structure. This lovely veins you can see here because I like to highlight the veins and it's very cool, I think, later on pictures. And these are my materials and also my camera settings. And now I think we can go ahead with my setup, and it's also very simple. I use my aquarium as a glass table because I don't have a glass table, and below my glass surface I placed my normal flash, and on top of my flash I have different color folds to highlight the veins in different colors. And on top of it I will place my leaf, and then I will take my pictures from above, and that's all. So I think we can go ahead with my results, and I hope you have a lot of fun with it.